It's been over a year since the last loadout video. You guys have really shown me some love for it. Because of that, I've been preparing to release a follow-up. Through the effort of myself and several of my friends, we're almost ready to put out another loadout video. This time, with a very modern kit. Before this video starts, I'd like to give a sincere thank you to the friends who helped me make it. From the camera work, to the gunsmithing, to the gear sourcing, to the sponsorship that I've won. Thank you everyone. I think you will be pleased with the results. This modern loadout has a very special rifle, one that I think you'll enjoy taking a closer look at. Enter the AKS-74UN. This rifle build is based off of a 1990 Tula kit. However, one must remember that it is not 1990 anymore. Thanks to the generosity of my sponsor, Gray Shop, I was able to cover this rifle in parts that boost its performance. On my Zenitco B-11 rail, which is mounted on the rear sight, I've got an EOTech XPS2 optic. With the EOTech mounted so high before, aiming it would be virtually impossible without the cheek riser on the PT3 stock. The light pull of the AKT trigger helps me shoot fast, while the TSSN-2 Flashhider lets me shoot flat. On my B-11 lower handguard rail, I've got an RK6 grip, as well as a Klesh 2P flashlight. Although, to be honest, I really don't think I need the flashlight. If you want any of the accessories that you've seen in this video, you can use my code BENJ7 to get a 7% discount on Gray Shop. Don't say I never did anything for you.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's something even more special. It's the Yo Master. My brother Tom could not believe his eyes. I want to be a yo-yo man, he cried. Make me a yo-yo man. But the yo-yo master did not answer. He just kept on yoing. Well, can you at least help me get started? Please? Yes, he said. But first, you must learn the basics of yo.